Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure the phone is powered and online because tracking needs a network connection. Next, sign into iCloud or your Google account from another device. Once done, open Find My or Find My device to locate the phone. If location is off, use the service to attempt a last known location. Make sure to keep your login secure and don't waste time. Start the remote locate step now. Once you have the map open, request a live location and watch for movement. Refresh periodically to track direction. If the phone is nearby, play a loud sound to reveal it. Otherwise, enable lost mode to lock the device and display a contact number. You can also trigger a remote erase, but remember, wiping deletes tracking ability. Reserve that for when recovery is unlikely. For iPhone, activation lock helps prevent reuse, so use it when securing the device. Finish by notifying your carrier to suspend service and note the IMEI in case of recovery. This helps block unauthorized use. File a police report and give them timestamps and the last seen coordinates so investigators have actionable data. If tracking returns no signal, check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi history on other devices and review nearby camera footage where possible. Troubleshooting tip: if locating fails, repeatedly retry during likely movement windows and try different networks or a friend's device to rule out account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.